Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be testing the Melanin Haircare Trio. It's going to be a chill video, and as you can see, I am super excited. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I don't remember what I used to wash my hair. I think it was like the Haircare shampoo, but my hair's clean, so we're really going to get started with the Melanin Haircare. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to section off my hair into 4 sections to make it easier to work with and distribute the product. And so here I have the section that I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be first using the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner, and I think it smelled really pepperminty. It definitely had a fresh spearmint, peppermint gum kind of scent. So I'm just working it into my hair, and then I'm dividing it into even smaller sections so I can add more product, and that is the section that I'm going to be using or doing my twists in. So I'm using the Felicia Leatherwood brush, and then I'm going to go in with the multi-use pure oil blend. So the method I'm using is the leave-in, oil, and then conditioner method, which is the LOC method. I just wanted to try it out. And so the oil has like a herbally oily smell. It's not anything strong. It wasn't necessarily my super favorite scent, but together with all the rest of the products, I can honestly say that it came out pretty good. So I'm just working the oil into my hair, and I really like the way it feels. And then next I'm going to be using the Twist-Elongating Style Cream, and I am going to go ahead and take just a little bit of that. That also has like a smell that I couldn't really describe, but I'm going to take a little bit of that and work it into my hands first to really get the product going, and then I'm going to work that into my hair. And the crazy thing is, almost instantly I saw that I already had clumping, which was amazing, and as you can see from my face, I am pleasantly surprised. So I'm going to go ahead and work that into my hair really well, and then taking the Felicia Leatherwood brush, just start clumping it up. And oh my god, it was amazing, guys. As you can see from my reaction, I was like, this is real time. I was truly amazed. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and keep working that into my hair, getting it as clumped as possible. Since I'm not using any gel or anything like that, I'm just going to continue brushing it, defining my hair, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do my first twist. I'm just doing 2-strand twists, nothing fancy. I just wanted to see how the products worked. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of leave you guys while you watch me, twist my hair up, and I twirl the ends to give it a little curl at the end. So yeah, that's the first twist done. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. Okay, so now in the front, I am going to be sectioning off the hair, and I'm going to do like a little bit of a different design in the front. So I'm going to do like flat twists and 2-strand twists together, because I decided that I was going to wear it out while it dried, and I didn't want to look too crazy, which is why I did the flat twist in the front. So I just wanted to jump in and let you guys know, because I definitely just said that I was only doing 2-strand twists, but I'm not, alas. As you can see, I'm flat twisting. So yeah. Another thing that I wanted to say is that in the front, I'm making the two-strand twists just a little bit smaller than I was doing in the back because I want the front to look a lot more defined than the back, obviously. And also, the bigger the twists are, the more volume you're gonna have, and my hair is a little bit thinner in the back. It has less density, so I just wanted to do smaller twists in the front to give more definition and bigger twists in the back for more volume. And also the flat twists directly in the front also help with volume. So in like the around the perimeter of my head is a little bit thinner, which is why I did the flat twist and the big twists in the back, basically. So I hope that isn't too confusing. I just wanted to explain the method to the madness, basically. And so now I'm just oiling my scalp because I wanted to use the oil blend just to give my head a little bit more moisture. And I thought it was really nice and soothing, not really burning or like tingling, but I liked the way it felt on my head. And then I'm just putting my hair up. And so we're back in the next day. Actually, it's not the next day, it's the same day, just way later in the day. And I am just, gonna go and take out my hair. I'm using the oil blend again just to re-moisturize my hands so that I'm not creating any unnecessary frizz, which I actually really don't mind frizz. From the end results, you can see that it is pretty frizzy because I ended up not separating the hair as nicely as I could have. As you can see, I'm just like pulling it apart. So I don't really mind frizz in that context, but also it gives me a lot of volume, so I like volume. I'm a volume kind of gal. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, just basically separating the hair. And I can honestly say that my hair felt super duper soft and the scent was really nice. Overall, I thought it was an amazing trio of stuff. As you can see, there's a lot of definition in my hair, which I usually wouldn't get if I didn't use a gel, and there was no gel used here, so I am super happy by that result. And so yeah, I'm just gonna continue separating my hair, and as you can see, it is coming out fantastically. Actually, there's a lot of volume, there's definition where I want definition, there's volume where I want volume, and I can really move my hair around. It's not stiff, there's no gel cast because I didn't have to use gel. I can honestly say that I absolutely loved the results from the Melanin Haircare Trio. I have other videos of this, so if you would like to see it, you can go ahead and let me know down in the comments, and I will make more videos using the oil in many different ways. Bye guys!